a great day. This morning I got a call that all my parts were in for the Cobra, so I'm currently en route to St. John's to get the tires for the rims, and we'll get those thrown on, balanced, and hopefully home by this evening, and we can get started at putting the rest of the parts together on the Cobra build. As you can tell, it's a pretty shitty darn day out there. So it's going to be a slow day, but hopefully we will get there in time. Anyways, I will check back in with you guys shortly. Hey, after leaving Best Buy, looks like I might be a little bit hungry. So what do you think? Montana's? Let's go check it out, see what they got. Alright, let's have a look. And shall go with voila. Alright, that meal is good. $22 later, belly is full, and we are going to go check on the rims. Let's see if they're ready. It's now 3:47 p.m. We're still waiting on the rims and tires. I almost forgot that Mark over at Auto Trim had some stickers ready for me. He's a true friend, dear friend, I guess you would say. He's always taken good care of me over the past few years when it comes to anything automotive related, and also vinyl related issues. He carbon fibered my truck there last year. He's done countless rust checks for me, or I guess you call it crown protection, and incredible service. They are top-notch service people out there. You can check them out on Topsail Road, Auto Trim Design. So there you go, Auto Trim. I'm gonna turn up here now. Let's see if Mark is in. Hopefully he is. Let's go check it out. Just getting back from Auto Trim Design here on Topsail Road, and this is the outcome. This is what I came here for. Mark hooked me up with some beautiful stickers. If you'd like one, comment below, and I will have a draw. Let's say I'll pick 2 winners for the first 50 likes. Let's go 50 likes. Okay, let's try that. Anyways, check these guys out. Auto Trim Design, 364-2288. Alright, here at our final stop for the day. We're here at Habit, Genuine Truck Wear. These guys hooked me up with some great deals along the way as well for many of my projects. They're currently doing the rims on the Cobra, so let's go in and check it out and see if they're ready to go. Garage. Some nice pieces out here. Beautiful. Ram. Very customized. Just beautiful. How's it going, bud? Good, good. Getting them done? And the rim. Here we are, we got some new parts in. I'm gonna start off with the lowering springs. Got some boxes over here. New rims, new tires, springs, intakes, full box of goodies for the Lightning and the Cobra. So we got new calipers, new rotors, new rims, new tires, and new lowering springs. Let's check out to see the other side here, how Bobby's doing. My main man, Bobby. Bobby doesn't like the camera. He's a little shy still. He hasn't broke his virginity on the camera park yet. Looks good, buddy. Nice. What do you think? Looks good?
Yes, it do, yeah.
All right. Give you an update in a few minutes. All right. We're going to move on to the back of the Cobra here now. That's the stock setup. This car originally got about 47,000 kilometers. Oh, in relatively good shape. We have a Bassani Extreme catback with a BBK X pipe. It's going to get set up right now. All right, we're going to continue on with some headlights and some coolants, coolant tanks, power steering tank. What else do we have? New intake to go on. Unveiling of the new headlight.
Unveiling the new headlight.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Sick, baby.
Looks gonna look good. What do you think, Bobby?
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
All right. Ooh. Okay, and I will give you an update. In 3, 2, 1. Voila. Just like that. Much better. So tonight we didn't get everything installed, but we did give it a good shake. A couple tires have to go on, some springs for the back, one on the bench here, some old stuff that we took out. Got some new calipers and rotors to go in the rear. Should look real nice. Full box of stuff here. Headlights, tail lights, new lug nuts. What else do we put in tonight? Oh, all kinds of jazz. Anyways, here it is on the car. New rims and rotors and springs in the front. New headlights, new intake, new overflow, power steering box, coolant box. Looks really good. Big improvement. And on the rear of the car, we decided to go with some new taillights. New, old. Comment below what ones you prefer. I personally like dark ones. They match with the headlights and the rear Cobra carbon fiber inlay. So it looks like we ran out of time for one night. It's now 11:30 p.m. and I think we did pretty good on our progress. We got the taillights on, rims, rotors, brakes, all that good stuff, ceramic, everything's ceramic. Headlights, I think they look awesome. It's really starting to come together well. anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like my video, and we'll see you again.